Now we are going to see how to publish the project. Alright, now by publishing we means that if you don't want to control or monitor in this editor window, you can publish a project. For example, we have a ladder logic here in which we have a bit which is controlling some outputs, and we have this button here which is tagged with the address of p3:0/0. So currently what we were doing is we go to this play button and we click this on and off to turn on and off this bit. This was what we were doing. By publishing, what you can do is you can stop this one, go to the tool, launch project, and click on windowed published. Okay, it means it will show you only the screen in which you can control and monitor the various elements. It will not show you this editor window, so that will give you some more independent look of the feel of SCADA screen. So when you click on that, it will ask you the username and password again. So put admin, the same username, password is password, and click on login. So once you do that, it will load all the plugins and you can see the SCADA screen here. Now there is no editor window, so there is no distractions. This is off, and in the PLC this is off. So when you click on this button once, it will be on, and here you can see the bed is on. So now this is independently interacting with the PLC inputs. This is what we mean by publishing the project. You can anytime go to the command and you can do logout, lock screen, by which the screen will be freezed, and you can do exit as well. So this is how you can publish your SCADA screen. There are other options as well. You can do the full screen, you can do the applet. In applet, the output will come in the Explorer, in the Internet Explorer. All right, then you can also do full screen publishing of this SCADA screen. So whatever screen you are making here, you can in the end go to publish, so that the operator only see the main screen. He cannot see the addressing, he cannot see the other menus, toolbars, because it will distract the operator. You can show the main screen. This is what basically we do when we work on SCADA screens. Once the project is complete, we publish that. All right, so this was another video for publishing the SCADA screen. If you have any doubt, you can pop me a comment. I'll get back to you. Thank you so much.